The iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of Apple's boldest redesigns yet, and with new leaks and rumors surfacing, fans are more excited than ever to see what Apple has in store for 2025. Because according to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the iPhone 17 Pro models will not only come in a striking new orange copper-like color, but also bring 12 groundbreaking upgrades that could redefine the iPhone experience. So let's break them down one by one, starting with the frame, because Apple is rumored to be shifting away from titanium, which was used in the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, and instead moving to a lighter yet premium aluminum frame with a new part aluminum, part glass design on the back, giving the phone a fresh and refined look that stands out while still being durable. And for the first time in years, Apple is also expected to change the iconic camera design by introducing a large rectangular camera bump on the iPhone 17 Pro models, a bold departure from the rounded square module we've seen since the iPhone 11, which signals Apple may be rethinking optics and sensor layouts for its next-generation cameras. But it doesn't stop there, because another major rumored feature is an anti-reflective display option, potentially borrowing Apple's nano-texture technology from the iMac, MacBook Pro, and iPad Pro, which would drastically reduce glare and fingerprints while offering a smooth matte finish, perfect for outdoor use and professional-grade media viewing. And alongside this, Apple is rumored to have redesigned the antenna system, wrapping it around a rectangular camera bump for improved 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity, which could finally deliver the rock-solid performance users have been asking for. And speaking of design changes, one of the most exciting aesthetic additions is the new copper-like orange color alongside a stunning dark blue option, giving buyers a fresh way to stand out and making the iPhone 17 Pro not just a smartphone but a fashion statement. But beauty is nothing without power, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max in particular is rumored to come with a slightly thicker build to accommodate a massive battery, exceeding 5,000 milliamp hours capacity, which could finally silence critics who say iPhones lag behind Android devices in terms of battery life. And combined with Apple's efficiency improvements, this phone could be a true all-day powerhouse, especially with the addition of the new A19 Pro chip built on TSMC's advanced third-generation 3nm process, delivering faster speeds, smoother graphics, and improved power efficiency for gaming, streaming, AI, and multitasking. And speaking of multitasking, this year's Pro models are expected to make a big leap in memory with 12 gigabytes of RAM, up from 8 gigabytes on the iPhone 16 series, which will not only future-proof the device, but also supercharge Apple Intelligence, the company's AI platform, making Siri smarter, multitasking smoother, and productivity apps more seamless than ever before. And the upgrades continue with the cameras, because Apple is reportedly doubling the resolution of the front-facing camera from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels, a huge leap for selfies, FaceTime, and content creators who rely on sharp, detailed front-facing shots, while also bringing an upgraded 48 megapixel telephoto camera on the Pro models, replacing the 12 megapixel sensor on the iPhone 16 Pro, which means zoom shots and portrait photography will be on another level. And for video creators, Apple might finally be adding dual video, recording directly in the camera app, letting users record simultaneously with both the front and rear cameras, perfect for vloggers, interviewers, and creative storytellers. And to handle the extra power and heat from all these new features, Apple is rumored to include a vapor chamber cooling system for the iPhone 17 Pro models, which along with a new metal-covered battery and other internal tweaks, will keep performance stable during heavy gaming, video editing, and long recording sessions. So when you put all of this together, you see a clear picture of Apple's most ambitious iPhone in years, a device that brings meaningful upgrades in design, performance, cameras, and usability, while also pushing style and innovation with a new orange copper finish. And if these rumors prove true, the iPhone 17 Pro could be the phone that convinces millions to upgrade, not just for incremental improvements, but for features that actually change how you use your phone every single day. Because from a new anti-reflective matte display and re-engineered antennas to the bigger battery, advanced A19 Pro chip, massive RAM upgrade, and revolutionary new cameras, this isn't just another iPhone. It's a statement about the future of smartphones. And while Apple hasn't confirmed these features yet, the leaks and reports are painting an incredibly exciting picture. So as we move closer to launch, one thing is Certain, the iPhone 17 Pro is coming soon with 12 new features that could set the standard for years to come, and we'll be here to cover every detail, every leak, and every surprise Apple has in store. So stay tuned because the next chapter of iPhone innovation is about to begin, and as always, this is TechVerse.